you will see what YouTubers actually earn per view, per 1,000 view, per 1 million views. Are you ready? Also, I'll give you the tool that will help you, that even without me, you can calculate the worth of any YouTube channel that you like. He has earned about $3.1 million on this YouTube platform. Hello guys, my name is Dan and I talk about finance, entrepreneurship, personal development, everything and anything that you need to be a success in life. I'm already celebrating you. Welcome back to my channel. Let's talk YouTubers and their revenue. If you are like me, you might have been wondering, how much are YouTubers paid? With all these videos they keep churning out weekly, how much are they paid? What is the earning of YouTubers? How much are they paid? I'm also curious like you. That's why I took my time to research about YouTubers and how much they are paid. Let's see if making YouTube videos actually worth it. So I will analyze YouTubers' earning, and at the end of the video, you will tell me if it's worth it to make YouTube videos. In the course of this video, I'll be discussing the earning of Stephan, Cathrin Manning, Abdaal, Jimmy Trisword, Ted, Roberto, Blake. I will take you through each of them and their earnings so that you see what YouTubers earn and give you a formula that you will use to predict the earning of any YouTuber. I did engineering in school, so I think this is the opportunity for me to bring it to YouTube and analyzing finance. Are you there? Let's go. In this video, I'll give you formula that you will use to know the earning of YouTubers, to project their earning even in 10 years time. What the YouTuber doesn't even know is earning, you can tell them what they will earn in 10 years time. So please ensure you watch this video to the end, as I will analyze it in such a way that will be very simple for you to follow. There are different ways of earning money for YouTubers, but in this video, I'm concentrating on only one of them, which is YouTube Adsense, YouTube ad revenue, the money that YouTubers get by placing ads on their videos. If you want to know the other ways whereby YouTubers earn money on this platform, please click the link that you are seeing so that you will see several ways that YouTubers earn money on the YouTube platform. This video is concentrated on only the ads revenue, and other sources of income may be higher or lower depending on the YouTuber. Let's get started. So if you come to YouTube help, you will see that the minimum eligibility that's required before you can monetize your channel, and the minimum eligibility requirement include you following all YouTube monetization policies, you live in a country or region where the YouTube partner program is available, you have more than 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months, you have more than 1,000 subscribers, and finally you have a link Adsense account. So when you meet all these requirements, you can monetize your YouTube channel. Now, if you also go here under performance with analytics, for you to understand your ad revenue better, you will need to know the difference between RPM and CPM. Even these two terms is confusing among some YouTubers. Your RPM is revenue per mil. It's a metric that represents how much money you've earned per 1,000 video views. So this is the amount of money that you earn by placing ads on your YouTube. The CPM is the cost per 1,000 impression. It's a metric that represents how much money advertisers are spending to show ads on YouTube. The simple difference between both of them is CPM is the amount of money that advertisers are willing to pay to put ads on your video, and RPM is the amount of money that you get out of what advertisers pay. Of course, you don't get everything advertisers pay because YouTube takes about 52 or 53% cut, and some people have ad blockers on their videos, so they won't see ads. CPM is the amount the advertisers are paying, and RPM is a percentage of that amount that you will get as a creator, which means that RPM is lower than CPM. For the purpose of knowing what YouTubers earn, our focus is on RPM because this is amount of money that the YouTuber get, not amount of money advertisers pay. If you want to check out these YouTubers, I will link channel in the description box of the video so that you can go and check them out. First of all, we start with Abdaal, and you can see he made a video where he described how much YouTube pays him. The most important item we need here is the RPM. Once you know the RPM of a YouTuber, you can predict how much the YouTuber will earn even in 20 years time. Just multiply the RPM with the total number of views. As you can see what we do here, this is the RPM I've been discussing with you. That is how much a YouTuber earns per 1,000 views. So per 1,000 views, he earns about 1.57 pounds. So multiply the RPM with the number of views that he has. So when you go to the about page, you will see the number of views that YouTuber have, which will give us times. Since RPM is in 1,000, we divide it by 1,000. So that will give us 117,000, which means Abdaal, as a YouTuber, has an estimated revenue of about 117,000 pounds as of the time of making this video. Abdaal, as a YouTuber, makes video on education, productivity, tech reviews, Tesla, and so many other things. Here we have another YouTuber that also published, that did a video on how much she earned, and in her own case, she did not do for a lifetime but released a video for 28 days. Whether it's 28 days or it's a lifetime, it does not count. Our interest is the RPM. Once we know the RPM, we can be able to predict an average earning of such YouTuber. So here is simplified because she gave us a RPM of about $15.89. So even though for a month she earned about $21,000, let's see how much she earned for a lifetime of our YouTube channel. So the formula still remains the same. We multiply this RPM with the total number of views that she has. RPM is measured is per 1,000, so divided by 1,000. So which means throughout the life of our channel, she should earn about $370,000. So this is what our YouTube channel is earning. Her videos are mostly based on e-commerce businesses, t-shirts, how much she earned in a month, money, as you can see here. I argue that this earning was in August, so her RPM has increased compared to, of course, when she started her video. This gives us a very good idea of what her channel is worth from YouTube ads only. Hey guys, let's take a moment to hit the like button for this video so that YouTube will recommend this video for other people to see it. It's time for us to smash the like button. Eat it, finish it, play with the like button. So our next YouTuber is Roberto Blake. So here he showed us his earning. We use the same formula where we multiply the RPM with the total number of views that he had, divide by 1,000, because RPM is usually measured per 1,000. So here we don't have his RPM here, but we know his estimated revenue for 2019. So we can use to predict the total earning he has as a YouTuber by dividing the earning by the number of views that he has. Here he has about 4.2 million, and this is a better estimate of the views. So this is what he earns per view. Per 1,000 view, multiply by 1,000. Per 1 million view, multiply this number by 1 million. Per 1 billion view, multiply this number by 1 billion. So since we're interested in RPM, which is per 1,000 view, we multiply by 1,000, and his YouTube RPM earning is about $7.43 per video. What is the total amount that he has made from YouTube? I told you that once you have the RPM earning you can multiply it by the number of views that he has, which is about 31 million. So if I divide it by 1000 for easy calculation, so we say this is what he earns per view on YouTube. For about 31 million views, we multiply it. His channel earns about $237,000 since starting the YouTube channel using this calculation. So this is what he earns as a YouTuber, and he started YouTube since 2009. As you can see, his videos are centered on YouTube branding, how small influencers can make big money on YouTube, and passive income generally. I hope you are enjoying this video, seeing how YouTubers make money and how much they make. So with this formula, you can apply it to any YouTube channel to know how much he or she earns per view, per 1000 view, per 7 billion views. Amount of money you get from one view, multiply it with the total view he has on the above page. You will know what the YouTuber is earning from YouTube AdSense. Cathrin Manning. Calculate the RPM and multiply it with the total number of views the YouTuber has. So here we have that the estimated revenue is about 44,000. So divide this estimated revenue with the total number of views that she has accumulated. So this is what she earns per view. Per 1000 view, which is the RPM, we can see her RPM is about $6.9. So this is what she earns per 1000 view. What of the lifetime of her channel? How much does she earn? So just multiply it with the total number of views that she has. Since we're using RPM, we divide by 1000. About $65,000. That's what money that she earns by being a YouTuber. And her videos are centered on how she made money on YouTube, how she lost money, the number of subscribers she has, YouTube SEO, and generally focus on YouTube and how to grow your YouTube channel. All the links will be attached in the description box below for you to go and check them out too. Our next person is Jimmy Tries World. So we want to see how much he earned as a YouTuber. Since we don't have the RPM here, we can calculate it by dividing his earning by the total number of views to know the RPM. He also gave us total views at the time of making this video, which means his earning per view is 0.029, but for 1000 view, which is the RPM, we will get $2.96 as his earning per 1000 view. So if you want to know how much he earns in total as a YouTuber, we multiply the amount with the total number of views that he has. So times, since RPM is measured in thousand, so we divide by 1000. Together, he as a YouTuber, he has an earning of about $35,000. And Jimmy Tries World, as a YouTuber, talks about tech reviews, tech videos. This video, of course, would not be complete if we didn't talk about Stephan. We will see how much he earned, not just for one video, but throughout the lifetime of his channel. And just like before, in this case, we have his RPM, so we don't need to do any calculation. So you can see that his RPM is 14.56. So with this, we can know how much his channel has earned over the lifetime using the RPM. And just like before, we'll do a simple calculation of multiplying the RPM 14.56. YouTubers are not paid based on subscribers, they are paid based on views. So how much does he earn in total all over his videos? So we go to the number of views, you can see here, and estimate the amount he earns from his view, which is this RPM times the total view that he has, which is divided by 1000, since we are using RPM. So which means for the lifetime of his channel, he has earned about $3 million from just YouTube ads alone. Of course, for all the calculation I've done, they are for YouTube ads, as I told you earlier in the video. So this is what he earned, and he started the YouTube channel since 2016 and we're in 2020. So someone has earned about $3 million from YouTube ads alone. He has earned about $3.1 million on this YouTube platform. Is that not great? His videos are centered about shares, stock, home tour, property, investment, how to get rich without getting lucky, and several other things. Thank you for watching this video. I would like to include any other YouTuber that you think I missed out in this first edition. This is first video of a series which discusses how much YouTubers earn, and this channel talks about finance, money and business. So if you know any YouTuber that have released his or her earnings and you want me to analyze it, please feel free to tell me in the comment section, so that when I update this video, I will include your favorite YouTuber and discuss their earning, and even giving you the formula to project what they will earn in 10 years time. I'll be updating this video very soon to include other YouTubers that have released their earnings that are not included in this first edition. So I would like you to tell me more about YouTubers that have released their financial earnings, so that I will include them in my next video when I update it, in order for us to discuss how people make money on this YouTube platform. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm so excited. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Love you all.